Welcome back to Zuby's Organic Kitchen, where I share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspiration we all need to naturally take charge of our health. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my Fonio veggie stir fry. Keep watching. Might derail your weight goals. All right, try it and let me know how you like it. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment, tell me how you like it, and I'm going to put a link to where you can get it online. Please share and subscribe to our videos, give us thumbs up, and let me know some of the videos you would like. All right, remember, you have only one body. Take care of it, and don't forget to also adhere to certain laws that might help you stay healthy, like drinking a lot of water, like sleep, like exercise, like sunshine, and all of those laws that governs our health. I believe in you, I love you, and I wish you well. Until next time, stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay positive. Have a great day.